Perthera, we have to tease out the individual mutations within genes for each one of our patients. Let's take the example of EGFR, or epidermal growth factor receptor. This is a protein that's present on the cell surfaces, and in normal cells, it helps the cells to divide and grow. But in abnormal cells, there is overexpression of EGFR, which really causes the tumor cells to proliferate uncontrollably. There are numerous drugs that target EGFR. One example is erlotinib in non-small cell lung cancers. So if there was an EGFR mutation or overexpression, then we can use erlotinib to target EGFR to prevent the uncontrollable growth of non-small cell lung cancer cells. Study looked at about 1,500 patients with non-small cell lung cancers, and they looked at the exact location of where the mutation was present within that gene, whether it was in exon 19 or exon 20 or exon 21. And they found that in majority of non-smokers, the mutation was actually present in exon 20 of EGFR. And they also found that when the mutation was present in exon 20, erlotinib was not very effective. So they found that patients with mutations, EGFR mutations, in exon 19 and exon 21 were the ones that really responded well to erlotinib, but not the ones that had the mutations in exon 20. So this really goes to show that it's important not just to look at the mutations at the gene level, but also to look at the details of the hotspots, where exactly these mutations are present within these genes before we can make these treatment choices for our patients. So how do we keep up with all this information? There is emerging body of literature and clinical research that's ongoing on a regular basis and from conference proceedings. So we're developing an expert system that captures associations between the biomarkers, the disease type, and the therapeutic options. And using this inference engine, our medical review panel are able to rapidly generate hypotheses for the treatments that might work best for our patients. We are also able to incorporate adverse events data and other population-based medical necessity information that can ultimately be important for reimbursement decisions.